Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. EDC faces huge debt under the Chief Ministers Rojgar Yojna. 78% of the beneficiaries fail to repay loan. EDC offers OTS to 170 beneficiaries. Veteran filmmaker Yash Chopra passes away, dies after getting diagnosed with dengue. Steps into director's shoes for last time for Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Uge Sarpanch Dashrath Gaonkar missing since Saturday. Police and local MLA launched search operations in hilly areas. No success. Amok Desai, Darshan Misal sent back from Under-19 tournament in Bangalore. Organizers and BCCI cite duo to be overage. Sports associations have no business to come under RTI. We are honorary office bearers, says Mario Moraes. Veron Yunus says RTI mechanism too elaborate to enforce on sports associations. And in retaliation, Irish Rodrigues rubbishes sports association's claim of not coming under RTI purview. Target.com volunteered to create websites for each and every sports association, says Shrikant Bharve. And now the news in detail. EDC is facing a bad debt under the Chief Ministers Rojgar Yojna. Almost 78% of the beneficiaries under the Chief Minister Rojgar Yojna have failed to repay the loans, and the loans are in red. As a result, EDC board has now decided to offer a one-time settlement scheme to these 170 beneficiaries. EDC has decided to modify the scheme and raise the loaning limit. Lokik Shilkar reports.
EDC's board in its recently held meeting has decided to offer one-time settlement to the 170 beneficiaries under the Chief Minister Rojgar Yojna. EDC had granted loans to almost 220 beneficiaries to start business in last 5 to 6 years. Out of 220, only 50 people have been repaying the loan on regular basis. However, loans for almost 170 beneficiaries are in red. Board has also decided to give interest rebate. 5% interest rebate for entrepreneurs setting up industries in backward areas. Pedne, Sattari, Sange, Kepe, Kankona, Bicholi and Dhadbandada have been notified as backward in the industrial growth. If the beneficiary is son of the soil, then additional 2% interest rebate, and if the beneficiary is female, then 2% more interest rebate. That means if the beneficiary is a Goan female from backward taluka, then she would be entitled for a total of 9% interest rebate. EDC has also decided to modify the scheme and raise the loaning limit. Our senior reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Veteran filmmaker Yash Chopra is no more. The king of romance died at the age of 80. The producer-director was admitted in the hospital after getting diagnosed with dengue. He had recently celebrated his 80th birthday. The cult filmmaker, who was looking forward to the release of his upcoming Shah Rukh Khan starrer Jab Tak Hai Jaan, was the founder of the production company Yash Raj Films.
शाहरुख मैंने आज तक लाइफ कैलकुलेटर के सामने बताई, कैलकुलेशन नहीं की लाइफ में। जैसे इस हवा के झोंके से दरिया के पानी से बहता रहा जाल ऊपर वाला लेके चला गया। मैंने लाइफ बताई है दिल मेरा क्या कहता है। जब मेरा दिल कुछ करे फिर मैं लोगों की परवाह नहीं करता हूँ। मेरा दिल कहता है बात हो गया।
The veteran filmmaker stepped into the director's shoes for the last time, which makes Jab Tak Hai Jaan, a very special movie. With Shah Rukh Khan, the king of romance, in the lead, the music raises lots of expectations. Born in Lahore on September 27, 1932, Chopra began his career as an assistant director to I.S. Johar and his elder brother B.R. Chopra. He is survived by his wife and 2 sons. Chopra was known for making some of the best love stories like Daag, Kabhi Kabhi, Silsila, Chandni and Lamhe, and action dramas like Diwar and Trishul. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
A true legend. Okay, Sarpanch from Sanget Dashrath Gaonkar is missing since Saturday evening. Gaonkar's neighbors claim that he was returning home with his family and suddenly Gaonkar ran away in a nearby dense forest. Police and local MLA launched a search operation with a dog squad on Sunday, but till late night, Gaonkar could not be traced. This has created some panic situation in the village.
ओल्ड घरा कडेन येवन मागीर तशी न्हंयच्यान क्रॉस करून परत ह्या न्यू घरा कडेन येवपा येताली बायल चलता आनी बायल घेवन ताका चलताली हाती धरून म्हणटकच तितल्याक ताका फोन येयलो फोन रिसीव केलो आनी तेणी आपल्या बायले कडेन दिलो घे म्हणून तेन्ना बायलेन ताका हात सोडलो न्हू हात सोडलो तो रिटर्न आज तसो बॅक रिटर्न धांवलो फाटोफाट ती धांवताली पळय उल मारी ते सायडीच्यान तो थंयचो तो शेजारी तो विटू एमकर म्हणून येतालो तेजी माथ्यार फोटली आसली आनी तो ती ही ताका धर धर म्हणपा लागली धर म्हणटा तो तेजी माथ्यार फोटली ताका कांय खबर ना न्हू ती तो
केन्ना खबर ही
6:30 ते 5:30 जातली
काल सांची
हय काल सांची
आनी
मागीर ती तोय आपल्याला ती नाला पडली ती उडयली आनी ती काय ती फाटल्यान धांवली आनी तांकां तो दिश्टी पडना
गांव बी सगळो सोदपा लागले
रातभर आमी 2 पर्यंत सोदता रातभर.
Amog Desai and Darshan Misal have been sent back to Goa before the beginning of the Under-19 tournament in Bangalore. The board and organisers took this decision after detecting false birth certificates of the duo. Meanwhile, GCA Executive Committee member Sudhin Kamath told Prudent GCA will not take any action on the players and has blamed the Dayanand Narvekar-led committee to have caused this fault in the first place. Amog and Darshan will join the Under-25 camp now.
Shashikant Sardesai has been shouting his throat hoarse after the ouster of Dayanand Narvekar's son Ganesh Raj Narvekar due to multiple fake birth certificates. Sardesai has hence wanted all the other overage players to be out of the team as well. None more than Darshan Misal and Amog Desai. BCCI seems to have seen enough punch in the case and have taken evasive action and shown the door to Goa's talented duo of Amog Desai and Darshan Misal. Here is the duo's passport copies. According to Amog's passport, he is already 20 years of age and does not qualify for under-19 cricket. Now here is Darshan Misal's passport copy. He too has crossed 20 years of age and is in fact older than Amog Desai by a few months. Prudent contacted GCA under-19 team in charge Sudhin Kamath.
No, actually, they were in the team first, and then when we arrived in Bangalore, I got a call from Prakash Naik, the assistant coach, saying that you have to send Amog and Darshan back to join the camp, LB camp. So I had no other option but to send them there.
Okay. Any reason why? Any particular reason why they have been sent back? Do you know about that?
No, I think the reason is there are some things also which have happened lately, and I see no fault of the players. It has happened in the last 19 committee is responsible for that. It's regarding the age. You must be knowing about it.
So
I think age of the players. Yeah.
Are you going to initiate any kind of a disciplinary action or any kind of a punishment on these two players?
No, but why? I mean, like, if they have committed a mistake, it was done during the last tenure of the last managing committee.
Okay.
If the committee knew that the boys were doing a mistake, I mean, it was up to the committee to take action against them there and then. Okay. Why they waited for so long to take action? I mean, like, now they're waiting for us to do something.
With bureau inputs, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.